Hello everyone, my name is Harkirat Singh. Today I represent my assignment of type of tourism. There are multiple type of tourism which include domestic, bound, sports, natural and inbound tourism. In this assignment I consider domestic tourism. Domestic tourism can be described as tourism involving residential of one country within the urban country. It does not involve any crossing of international border at entire point. For example, if any Canadian from Alberta want to spend some days at Niagara Falls as he is staying in his urban country, then it is domestic tourism. Domestic tourism is traveling for business or pleasure purposes within the border of the country in which they are living. Uh, Domestic tourism can be eliminate poverty, generate economic growth, as well as upgrade the infrastructure. Niagara Falls was a spiritual significance to the native people. Niagara Falls is set to a massive waterfall located on the Niagara River in eastern North America on the border between United States and Canada. Niagara Falls waterfall is famous for its beauty and it is valuable score to a hydroelectronic power. This is a popular tourist site over a century. The natural wonder is shared between the two twin cities of Niagara Falls, Ontario and Niagara Falls, New York. There are several reasons why the Niagara Falls is popular than other waterfalls. There are more than 500 waterfalls which is taller than Niagara, but Niagara is popular for the water. Peak number of visitors occur in the summertime when Niagara Falls are both a daytime and evening time attraction. For a Canadian side, floodlight illuminated both sides of the fall for several hours after dark until midnight. There are several types of activity which we can perform at Niagara Falls, Canada. Some are attractive ride including Adventure Drive, CFX Niagara, Locomoland, historical site including Niagara Falls Museum, Old Fort, theme and water park including Marine Land of Canada, Safari Niagara, as well as Fallen View Indoor Park. There are several reasons why the Niagara Falls is popular, and there is a lot of tourist attractions such as the journey behind the fall, national helicopter, city cruise, uh, Niagara Falls inclined railway, helicopter, cooperative park, Niagara Fury, Skyline Tower, Table Rock Center, as well as a zip line to a fall. The peak season of Niagara Falls is June, July, August with the peak period of family leisure. Family travel less during September, October and April due to their child being in school. For November to March, the low season of Niagara Falls, overnight visitors are a major market of Niagara Falls. Overnight visitors are the largest potential source of demand to a critical masses of dining, retail, entertainment and cultural attraction. Almost 30% of overnight visitors of Niagara Falls participate in the national park that make the most popular activity in the area. About 52% of males are traveling to Niagara Falls and 48% female travel. According to age, most of the people who are from 18 to 64 travel more to Niagara Falls. As the tourists came from different places of world, but mostly came to Canada. 82% of Canadian and 18% from world, including India, China, and Germany. Most of the people like to do touring, dining, visiting national park, and shopping. The annual household income of a visitor is average $61,500. The market segment could be beneficial by when a guest is staying at Niagara Falls Hotel overnight or visiting any Niagara Falls Park or visiting any casino to play at their place. And sometimes the daytime employed do several type of activity. These activity may vary according to age. Mostly young people like to prefer to go to a club or bar, and old people like to attend a event at Niagara Falls. Mostly 58% of people who are fully employed came at this place, and 40% who are retired, and 8% of students came at this place, and 7% people who are not considered from these. The most historical sites of Canada are at Niagara Falls because it is quite old. It provides more than 20% of save water to the United States of America. It considers three major waterfalls, which are American Fall, Bridal Bend Fall, and Canadian Waterfall. The, mac- this waterfall has its highest flow rate of water at the maximum height. This waterfall is the oldest in the history of America and Canada. Niagara waterfall is younger, although it is 12,000 year old. Almost 90% of fish which travel from Niagara Fall are survive. Niagara Fall produce large amount of electricity for America and Canada. Today it produces about one-fourth of electricity to the state of New York and Canada provinces Ontario. Several hydropower plants in and around Niagara Falls provide electricity for America and Canada. Tourism industry of Canada is increasing due to their several activity at Niagara Falls destination. Tunnel dig in the mountain to attract tourists. Niagara Falls serve as economic trade collide between the countries like US and Canada. There are several downfall of Niagara Falls, such as when US is discharging their waste material of their factories into a river, which cause air and water pollution. Throw this waste and garbage in the Niagara Fall, which increases high risk of pollution, increase health problem. Due to smog in the summer season, it is hard to breathe to a visitor as well as tourists.